Welcome to the Dark Beyond, where we delve into the most haunting and tragic stories that reveal the darkest corners of humanity. In today's episode, we uncover a case that shocked Arizona and the nation: the starvation death of 6-year-old Deshaun Martinez.
Coming out of Flagstaff tonight, a 6-year-old boy has been found dead, and his parents and grandmother are facing homicide and child abuse charges.
Police say the boy was extremely malnutritioned. Let's get right out to Team 12's Bianca Bono, who is in Flagstaff with the circumstances surrounding this boy's death. Bianca.
Well, guys, this is the apartment complex where this horrific incident happened. Police say when they got here yesterday, they tried saving a 6-year-old boy, but unfortunately it was too late. They then found 3 other children inside one of these units. One of them was also extremely malnourished. As you can imagine, neighbors tell me they are heartbroken.
Deshaun Martinez, once a vibrant and cheerful boy, was discovered lifeless in his family's Flagstaff home on March 2nd, 2020. At the time of his death, Deshaun weighed just 18 pounds, a stark contrast to the healthy weight of a child his age. Deshaun Martinez, once a vibrant and cheerful boy, was discovered lifeless in his family's Flagstaff home.
Police were called to an apartment complex near Cedar and 4th Street Monday afternoon, and when officers showed up, they found a 6-year-old boy unresponsive.
The child was extremely malnourished. He didn't look like a 6-year-old.
Officers trying everything to save him, but it was too late. He was pronounced dead at the scene. They then turned their attention to the 3 other children in the home, a 2-year-old, 4-year-old, and a 7-year-old boy. Police say the 7-year-old was also extremely malnourished, so he was taken to the hospital.
Authorities found Deshaun's body emaciated in a back bedroom, indicating prolonged starvation. The horror of his condition highlighted severe neglect and abuse that had been occurring for an extended period. His parents had called 911, claiming Deshaun had stopped breathing.
3 Flagstaff residents are in jail, accused in the death of a 6-year-old child. Police responded to a report of unconscious child in a home on the 3100 block of North Monte Vista. It happened just after noon Monday. The child was pronounced dead on the scene. The 6-year-old boy was found in a closet with his 7-year-old brother. Both appeared to be malnourished. The older brother survived.
23-year-old Anthony Martinez, 26-year-old Elizabeth Archibek, and 50-year-old Anne Marie Martinez, the victim's grandmother, were arrested for first-degree murder and 2 counts of child abuse each. The surviving children, ages 2, 4, and 7, are in the custody of the Arizona Department of Child Safety. The investigation is still ongoing.
During the trial, harrowing details emerged about the conditions Deshaun endured. Pablo Martinez, Deshaun's father, was charged with first-degree murder. Testimonies from medical experts and investigators painted a grim picture of systematic starvation and neglect. Martinez received a life sentence without the possibility of parole, a decision that brought some measure of justice for the tragic loss of a young life. Deshaun's mother, Elizabeth Archibek, played a significant role in this tragedy. She is also facing charges of first-degree murder and child abuse. Prosecutors argue that she was complicit in the ongoing neglect and abuse. Deshaun's older brother, Joshua, was also found in a malnourished state. Thankfully, he survived, but his condition highlighted the chronic neglect within the household. Both boys had been locked in a bedroom without food for long periods as a form of punishment. Joshua's survival indicates that intervention came just in time. This case underscores the importance of recognizing and reporting signs of child abuse. The warning signs were there, but they were not acted upon soon enough. The Flagstaff community and beyond mourned the loss of Deshaun Martinez. Vigils and memorials were held in his honor, with community members expressing their grief and demanding justice. It's heartbreaking to think about what Deshaun went through. We must ensure no other child suffers like Deshaun did. His memory should inspire us all to be more vigilant and compassionate. This case has prompted renewed calls for better child protective services and more robust systems to identify and intervene in cases of child neglect and abuse. We are working to improve our protocols and ensure that every report of child abuse is thoroughly investigated. We urge the public to report any suspicions of abuse immediately. This case is one of the most disturbing we've seen. The evidence presented painted a grim picture of prolonged abuse and starvation. It's a stark reminder of the dire consequences of neglect. Unfortunately, the tragedy of Deshaun Martinez is not an isolated incident. It echoes other heartbreaking cases where children fell through the cracks of a failing system. We need to enact stronger policies and provide better training for those on the front lines of child protection. Deshaun's case should be a catalyst for meaningful change. As Pablo Martinez serves his life sentence and Elizabeth Archibek faces her own legal reckoning, the case of Deshaun Martinez remains a somber reminder of the innocent lives lost to unimaginable cruelty. Let his story compel us to act, to protect, and to ensure that no child suffers in silence. We need your help to make sure stories like Deshaun's are heard and to raise awareness about child abuse and neglect. Please share your thoughts and comments below on how we can better protect our children and prevent such tragedies. If you found this video informative and important, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Together, we can make a difference.